Hey guys, it's Gabe from Total Detailing. I know this is a couple days late. I'm sorry. Just craziness in the shop and holidays here. Um, Lots of things going on. So we're gonna pick the winner of the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ProLine kit. They're gonna win this sweet bucket filled with the ProLine with the ProLine stuff. So you can see on the screen here, I've got the YouTube comment picker here ready to roll. So we're gonna roll it now. Stock Stang. Congratulations, you're the winner. And I'm gonna reach out to you to grab your information, and we're gonna send you this sweet turtle wax kit. So I want to take a second and thank everybody who's participated in this. I really appreciate you being here. We're going to be doing a ton of awesome things. Excuse me. We're going to be doing a ton of awesome things here on the channel in 2021. We're going to kind of go quiet for the next few days, kind of let me get caught up on a couple of things. And we're going to break into 2021 and start pumping out content as quickly as I can anyway. So I appreciate you guys hanging out and being here. Congratulations to Stock Stang, and you know, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for participating. See you later.